What's up, Felix?
Hola.
How you doing, buddy?
I'm doing well.
Boys and girls, welcome back to another episode for Project GR Supra Manuel.
I love that. I love it. I love it.
Tonight, we are going to be installing a Eventuri full carbon fiber intake system. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Quinn, why did you buy that intake system? Well, I'm going to tell you why.
I asked the same thing.
I'm going to tell you why I bought this system. Well, one, there's a little bit of weight savings to be had here. But two, and most importantly, is right now, for power goals, I want to pull as much power as possible with 93 pump octane out of the car. And maybe it was bullshit, but the few videos that I'd seen where they literally took the stock intake system out, installed the Eventuri, dynoed them back to back, same day, no tuning changes, this one actually made like 10 horsepower more. Yeah. So the goal is to go as close to 500 at the wheels, DynoJet, STD or SAE, the corrected format, horsepower as possible. And the open systems that are available for the car, they said that they make a lot of noise and it sounds nice, but they heat soak very quickly, where the Eventuri system is completely enclosed and there's this big giant...
I was going to say the gold plated. Yeah, that certainly helps.
Like a McLaren F1.
That's right, it's just like a McLaren F1. It's my McLaren, and actually as I'm saying this, just like the McLaren F1, this also has a BMW powertrain. So we have Felix back with us. If you guys remember, he brought his A90 Supra previously. And
you guys have been a bad influence on each other, I think.
Oh, super bad.
Yeah.
Super bad. Super bad.
Yeah, it's been pretty bad.
Every part he's buying, I'm buying. And this is the one I didn't go with.
Yeah.
And maybe he'll change my mind. I do love how it looks. I think that's one thing, right? It's a great piece in the engine bay, right? Like the engine bay it's beautiful, but having these little pieces make me want to open it. Like it just makes you want to open the engine, right?
Yeah.
Or the hood.
I was torn between this and the HKS because the HKS is nice too.
Correct.
But I couldn't find like a heads-up dyno like that.
Yeah, everything I've seen, the results of putting a cold air intake, people just avoid it. So when you brought this up, I was very interested myself, right? So I did see the videos.
Yeah.
They did, put results, and I said, all right. And if you feel the difference, I may go with it, right? Because currently, right now, also to update, I have a stage 2 with MHD. So hoping, the 2003 gets unlocked soon.
Really pushing me.
I will let him, test drive that, and he'll see the results of that. But I don't think I need a cold air intake. But again, this looks absolutely beautiful. And if you do feel that difference, I will definitely buy it, right? And it looks like a great piece in there. It's whatever. We have money right now, so.
Well, here's the other important thing, is that it's got this smush right here for the factory strut tower bar. Not every intake has that.
Correct.
So this fits the bill.
It's beautifully designed and beautifully engineered.
And there's a chance that we may have these for sales at some point on slipanglemedia.com. I'm trying to work that one out. So check back or shoot me an email if you're interested in one, if it's not up on the website when you see this video. So let's dive into this install, but before we do that, I'm gonna load everything up into the box because we're gonna get a weight for this total system, and then we'll weigh the entire factory system and see if we gain or shave weight.
Yes.
Okay, so our full Eventuri intake system weighs in at 5 pounds on the dot on my postal scale.
5 pounds.
Place your bets. Do you think that this is lighter or heavier than the stock?
5 pounds is light. It's got to be heavier, the stock one.
The stock one's got to be heavier. Yeah, you would think. I'm going to be very upset if it's not.
That definitely looks so good.
We're filming?
Of course. I always roll.
Perfect.
Always rolling.
You know, I really thought it was gonna be a nightmare putting this in there all in one piece.
And I was certainly hating everything about it, but
It went in not that bad.
And it's beautiful. It's absolutely
I was a
beautiful.
little concerned when I knew you had to put like the piping in the box and then
Yeah.
put the whole thing in.
That's what I mean. I thought it was
wasn't
gonna.
that
No.
bad.
Yeah, that's probably the one con is maintenance. Maintenance will be a pain in the butt, but
But doing that every 5,000 kilometers.
I'm not doing that.
I am completely impressed with the quality of this, honestly. Completely impressed.
And kids, the weight savings.
Yes.
Oh, how many pounds?
Oh, because we didn't show the after one. We only showed the before, right?
Yeah, all the stock stuff was 7 pounds.
Yep.
7 pounds. So 2 pounds of weight savings. But we're about to gain that back with a oil air separator kit. And we weighed the factory strut tower bar, which we were all very surprised.
Yes.
It's 5 pounds.
Yep.
Like,
Yeah,
Very
it's hollowed bar steel, so I guess we can keep it. We'll powder coat the orange to match the car. But that's it. That's the whole Eventuri intake install.
Yes.
I'd say there's really nothing notable to tell you guys about this because
Yeah, it was very simple, very
the instructions they give you are very straightforward.
Yeah.
No real caveats with it.
we need to get some sounds.
I would say estimated time would be what, like 15, 20 minutes to get that all installed and removed from this
Yeah,
one?
we took our time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna hear this. That's the one thing. Like it's a completely enclosed system, so that's what prevents the heat soak. But it's gonna be just as quiet as the stock Airbox. And the engine bay. This to me looks very OEM plus, and I like that.
I would say plus because it looks
Plus.
It looks awesome. Honestly, it looks awesome, and the fact that it actually has the indention and fits perfectly with the bar, it just makes it look so good.
It even has a serialized little plaquette on there.
Yeah, that's nice.
Look at me go. This is the second serialized plaque on the car.
Yeah,
I get one on the dash too.
that is true.
2.1 pounds.
Should I drill this out? Drill those rivets out, baby. All right, guys, that is it for this one. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this content, give us a like and a subscribe. Check out slipanglemedia.com. We are actively putting up all the parts that are going into our project cars up for sale on the website because we're going to make them available to you also. And plus, that's a great way to help support the channel. Our pricing is very competitive, as low as we are allowed to list it for. But if you want to support the channel, check out our web store, grab some parts for your car, and we will see you all in the next one. Done.